Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3, and today we would like to present our final project-based learning report. Before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Rian Pramana Cahyadi, and my teammate is
Myself, Andre Henry Haris.
Max.
And my name is Iksan Abdullah.
On this occasion, we will present our PBL project, and title is Automatic Control System for Household Standby Power using Fuzzy Logic Method. Okay. Okay, the project team, me, design the electrical schematic and assemble the electrical components for the automatic control system of household standby electrical power, along with developing the fuzzy logic method. To Andre Henry Harris, compile PBL documents such as lesson plans or RPP, budgets or RAB, final reports, poster, and PowerPoint presentation, as well as research and process reference related to automatic control system for managing standby power of household electronic device using the fuzzy logic method. And three, Iksan Abdullah design the mechanical system in 2D and 3D format using AutoCAD and SolidWorks along with creating the project poster. Okay, next. Project background. Electrical energy has become one of the basic necessities of human life, as most work activities and daily human activities depend on electricity. Therefore, this research aims to aid homeowner in controlling and monitoring the electrical power consumed by household appliances when they are away from home, provide that the system remains continuously connected to the internet. In 2025, PLN or Pembangkit Listrik Negara record the residential sector was the main contributor to electricity sales, with consumption reaching 67.14 in the first semester of 2025. This figure grew by 5.13% years on years, or an increase of 3.27 compared to the same period in previous year, and account for 43.14% of total national electricity sales. The high level of electricity consumption in the residential sector is driven by population growth and the rapid development of household technologies that rely on electrical energy, compounded by improper electricity usage and a lack of awareness regarding energy conservation. One consequence of inefficient electricity usage in the emergence of standby power. According to the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, standby power refers to the electrical energy consumed when electrical devices are turned off or not performing their primary function. Okay, next.
Okay, project timeline. Me and my group have a project timeline. The project run from September to December. It start with a literature study and preparation of materials, and then in October, concept simulation and hardware design and carried out, and then programming and implementation continue into November. uh, followed by tools testing, and in December, evaluation, improvement, and the final report are complete. Next, the mechanical design. Show the design of a mechanical box enclosure that function as a protective housing and an arrangement for the component of the automatic standby power control system. This design is intended to ensure that the system is safe for use in a household environment, well organized, easy to operate, and capable of protecting electronic components from direct content, dust, and the rise of short circuit. Next, electrical design. So the design of an electrical system that function to monitor electrical current consumption and automatically power flow to household electrical device. The system allow device to be automatically turned off, cut off when they are detected to be only in standby mode, and to the reactive when needed based off the sections generated by the fuzzy logic method. Next.
Okay, this is flowchart. The system start operating. Plug the electronic device into the power outlet. The device is connected to the power source. PGEM 0040 sensor reads the electric current. The sensor measures the currents continuously. If the electric current smaller 0.15 ampere, the system check whether the current is below 0.15 ampere. Current greater 0.15 ampere. If not, the condition is normal and the green LED turns on. Current smaller 0.15 ampere. If yes, the system check how long the low current occurs. How the time has the time exceeded 15 seconds. The system check verifies whether is last more than 15 seconds. If yes, the relay is connected. The relay is activated. The red LED turns on and power is disconnected. The system stop after power disconnection. Next problem sampling. Section mechanic and enclosure of overheads and is difficult to access. Chaos for ventilation and improper components layout inside the enclosure. Countermeasures and ventilation holes install a small cooling fans and redesign the enclosure layout. PIC-nya Andre. Section electrical inaccurate current measurement during standby conditions cause electrical noise, wiring error, and improper calibration of the PCM0040 sensor. Improve wiring layout, add electrical filtering, and recalibrate the current sensor. PIC Rian. Section programming. System fails to cut off power during standby mode. Cause incorrect fuzzy logic rules and improper currents result settings. Optimize fuzzy logic rules, adjust membership function, and update the ESP32 program. PIC Iksan. Next.
Okay, update project plan. The image show a project timeline in the form of a Gantt chart. The horizontal axis represents the project schedule with dates running from July to December. The vertical axis lists the main project path. The project is divided into several major stages. 1. System planning and design. This path appears at the beginning of the project and focus on planning, requirement analysis, and system design. It starts in the early weeks and spans several weeks forming the foundation for the next stage. 2. Hardware development. This path overlaps partially with the planning stage. It involves designing, building, and testing the hardware components. The duration is longer, indicating iterative development and refinement. 3. Firmware and fuzzy logic development. This stage begins after hardware development has started. It focuses on programming the firmware and implementing fuzzy logic algorithm. The overlap suggests that software development progress alongside hardware testing. 4. IoT and monitoring system. This is the final phase of the project. It includes integrating IoT feature and communication and monitoring system. This stage run toward and to the end of the timeline, indicating system integration and final validation. Overall, the chart illustrates a sequential yet overlapping development process where planning, hardware, software, and IoT integration are executed in parallel when possible to optimize project time and efficiency. Okay, that concludes our presentation. We apologize if there were any inappropriate words of shortcoming in our presentation. We from Group 3 would like to take our leave. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.